guys, welcome to the ranch. I'm Brett Galloway with the Steak Cook-Off Association. Today we're gonna make shrimp on the grill. All I'm gonna do is peel off the shells first, and then we'll season them and put them on the grill. This is rocket science right here. When I clean the shrimp, all I'm doing is leaving this last little piece on. Think of it as a handle. When you bite the shrimp, it'll come right off. So just leave that last little portion of the shrimp. I've got them all clean. We rinsed them off. And all we gotta do is season them and get them on the grill. Now I'm gonna season them with my Waylon and Willie seafood rub. Adds a little bit of orange flavor, a little bit of lemon, a little bit of lime, and a lot of flavor. Now that we got the grill hot, I'm gonna spray the grill so it doesn't stick and put them right on the grill grates. We're cooking at about 500 degrees, so these things aren't gonna take long to cook. All we're looking for them is to start turning orange. Once they do, we're gonna flip to the other side, finish them off. We'll be ready to go. We should be almost there. Time to turn them. All right, now if they're ready, we're just gonna pull them off the grill. We'll season them up a little more, and we'll be ready to go.